So when you help your superstars to remember their curves, it makes writing fun. Their letters and their sounds are very, very important in foundation. So let's go over to the curves again. If you can remember. Now I'm facing this side. What curve is this? Left curve. And what curve is this? Right curve. Don't forget. What curve is this? It's facing down. Downward curve. And what curve is this? Upward curve, because it's facing up. See, learning is fun. When you give them all this easy method to remember, catch fun with it. They will just write it, and mommy, come and see my writing. Mommy, come and see my writing. It's fun for them. Okay? So don't forget, follow, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.